Extra Business, an extra product designed and developed by Tenditalia's research and development team for well-being and home comfort in all seasons of the year. The main feature of the Extra Business product is represented by an aluminum treatment on one of the two surfaces. This special treatment gives the roller and vertical awning the ability to reflect selectively the infrared radiations incident on the fabric. In this way, the heat of the sun's rays remains largely on the outside, while the heat generated by the heating systems in the rooms remains inside, depending on the seasons and the window's energy efficiency. Extra Business provides the same heat and light reflection performance in all of its color variations. In the winter season, up to 35% of the radiations contained in the warm air produced by the room's heating systems remain inside the room. In the summer season, up to 70% of the energy contained in the solar radiation is reflected externally. The result is a considerable heat reduction and an excellent control of the light, and a perceptible extra in terms of comfort and protection. Energy saving means greater home comfort. Energy bill savings. Extra Business protects against light reflection and from glare. Extra Business has Class 1 flame retardant characteristics in accordance with Ministerial Decree of 26 June 1984 and B1 flame retardant characteristics in compliance with the DIN 4102 standard. Extra Business contains no toxic substances in compliance with the REACH Registration, Evaluation, and Authorization of Chemicals Regulation. Extra Business fabric will also surprise you with a modern color range inspired by the latest proposals from interior designers. Tenditalia. I feel at home.